See here, this is brain clot case. They went to number of hospitals which did not yield any result. She suffered a lot due to blood clots in her brain. Finally, they came to SVPS, International Non-Profit Organization, Electrohomeopathy and Alt System, Vastu Yoga Center. Here we have treated and given medicines. In 1 week, she got good relief and used for 3 months. Used medicines for 3 months. Certain gap was there. Again, used another 3 months. Now, her problem totally permanently solved. Her problem solved permanently. Permanent cure of diseases and health problems without surgery is possible by electrohomeopathy and alt system developed by SVPS, International Non-Profit Organization, Bharat, Hindustan. For 99.99 major surgery cases, we can avoid surgeries, means we can cure diseases and health problems of people without surgery. Maybe brain tumor, brain clot, bile, fissure, fistula, liver cirrhosis, lungs disorder, whatever may be the disease and problem, will be cured without surgery. Even normal delivery is also possible by this treatment in 4 hours. Such a great treatment is available here in electrohomeopathy and alt system of plants and flower developed by SVPSO organization. Here, this organization, our teams, member branches here cured lakhs of people. They are leading very happy life, and many animals are saved. Plants, pests are cured. So, this is the greatness of electrohomeopathy and alt system. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉందమ్మా? ఓకే, గుడ్.